Hi friends, welcome back. This video I am going to show you forgot your parental controls pin. Here's the real fix. Let's get started. First, you can try to turn off your parental controls in the Google Play Store. But if you remember that your pin is incorrect, don't panic. Simply close the Google Play Store app. After that, open your main settings. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom. Locate the apps option, tap to open it. Here you can scroll down slowly or use the search bar at the top, type Google Play Store. Once you found the Google Play Store app there, tap on their name to open it. After that, look at the very bottom. Here you can find the force stop button. Once you found them, simply tap on it, then confirm it. Then scroll down again, go to the storage page. At the very bottom menu bar, look for the two options, clear cache, clear data. Tap on the both option. After it's done, simply close it. Then reopen the Google Play Store app and check your parental controls there. This time you can see your parental controls is currently turned on and you are easily done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.